Everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Phonics. Hope all are doing good. I am back with an interesting activity called flashcards. Flashcards are very simple and easy to use. They are also easy to create at home. These flashcards I bought, but you can make at home. Cut the chart paper in rectangular shape and draw the picture in middle of the page. Color it. Write the word underneath the picture and make sure to put dot underneath every letter so that the child can recognize the sound. They remain a great way to introduce, practice and recycle vocabulary. It's an essential tool in building reading fluency. So let us see how we can use the flashcards. A n fan. B a g bag. H a t hat. K I n g king. Sh I p ship. St r star. B r d bird. T a n ten. B oi boy. B a s bus. K a m cam. A l camel. B all ball. K at cat. Watch watch. A t hut. K r car. Apple apple. S a n sun. K ow cow. Qu i n queen. G r l girl. Horse horse. Baby baby. Dog dog. Boat boat. Egg cake. Bed bed. Hut hut. Sun. So these are the flashcards and this is how we show the flashcards to the child. And after practice you can take randomly, like just tell the child to pull one card like this. If the child pull the card and tell the child to read the word. So this activity really helpful to the child and they really feel very happy and they learn the words very easily also. Hope my videos are helping you. If you feel so, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.